Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Tamila Chikadua, and today we'll be talking about Enterprise Data Management Plan overview. And we have to describe that, how it works, how the plan is designed, and it's. In order to develop business plan, you need approach of design dimensional model, which consists 4 main steps. The first one, we have to select the business process, and this is very important step in EDM design. We have to select the process which is required from the business needs, such as receiving payments, handling service calls, taking orders, and else. It is supported by the operational system. The second step in dimensional model is declare the grain. It means to specify what an individual table row shows. In other words, it answers the question, how do you describe a single row in the table? Let's move to the third one, which is identify the dimensions. In this step, you have to be clear with the grain, and then it gives you very easily answers on who, what, where, when, why, and how. The final step is identify the facts. It explains how single fact table has one-to-one relationship to the measures and how they belong to the fact tables. Usually, fact tables are surrounded with the dimensional tables. Please, let's see the figure which I provided here. As you see in the middle, we have a fact table and it's surrounded by dimensional tables. For example, we have that's frame dimension, we have time dimension, we have cost dimension, and that's how it's surrounded, the fact table with the dimensional tables. Now let's move to the data warehouse architect schema at enterprise scale. Data warehouse is an information system that contains all kinds of data from the several sources. It offers information about subject instead of information on ongoing operations. Integration means establishment of spread unit of measure for all similar data from different databases. There are 5 main categories in data warehouse, such as database, ETL tools, metadata query tools, and MetaMart. In query tools, there are 4 main categories: query and reporting tools, application development tools, data mining tools, and OLAP tools. Metadata plays an important role as it specifies the source, usage values, features of data. Please see the figure which I have provided here to understand how the data warehouse components. Now let's talk a little bit about the staffing plan, cost analysis, and timeline projections, and about the benefits from proposed solution. Staffing plan plays huge role in EDM. You need an experienced, skilled, and teamwork professionals in order to achieve your business goals. For a small business, 1 or 2 individuals are enough for the project, but for a large-scale business, 4 or 5 individuals and long-term effort. Usually for smaller scale enterprise requires 8 to 9 weeks to accomplish the body of work for well EDM roadmap. But for larger scale enterprise, it takes about 20 to 30 weeks. In my point of view, Power BI is one of the common BI tools for the organizations in overall design process. Monthly payment for users is around $10 a month, and therefore it's very beneficial. What benefits we can get from the proposed solution? EDM describes organizations' capacity to integrate, govern, secure, and disseminate data from many sources. In other words, you have all kind of information in one plate, and by searching all this information, you know exactly what are the needs for your business success, where are the issues and why, how the market is working and where you have to put your efforts, and so on. So my presentation has been ended, and as always, I would like to provide my references based on what I made this small presentation. Thank you very much.